Hi guys, here we have a Trappex Centramag 2 filter fitted 18 months ago. It's due for another clean. Just show you here all the magma that's stuck to it. I fitted a couple of radiators in the last 6 months. I noticed there's usually a large collection after I fitted this. So just got to give it a clean. Just get a bit off to show you some of the magma and sludge that the magnetic filter has collected. So I'm just giving it a wash here. I've removed the magnet from the middle. I'm just giving it a wash, washing all the magma off. I normally use a paintbrush to assist with this, but as you can see it's all coming off. And that's it, I've finished cleaning it now. It's dried off a bit. Just give you a close-up what it looks like. All the old sludge and magma is off now. So it's just a matter of putting the magnet back in, like so. And then the filter goes up here. That's the filter housing. It's keyed, so it'll fit in one way. There you can see it's dropped in nicely there. So now that that's in, once I've got it in, just got to bleed it. So bleed nipple on the top, or bleed valve. Once I put it all together, and it's just a matter of putting this screw cap back on the top here. Like I said, I've isolated it by the isolation valve so I can dismantle it, and I'm just giving it a final tighten with the key, not too much. And now that that's done, I can open the isolation valves once again, and then bleed it. And that concludes. Once again, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.